Look at those jet stream winds, Rob, coming across the Arklatex all the way into the Great Lakes.
Yeah, so strong winds wrapping through the system. You can expect gusty conditions as this thing moves across the plains. We've got a big temperature drop, a big change in pressure as well. And wherever you have those big swings, you can expect gusty winds. In addition to the chance for, in this case, severe storms as moisture starts surging north into the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah, we talk about those ingredients. We need the available energy. We're going to have that in place. We're going to have the moisture. We're going to have the lift. And therefore, all those ingredients coming together, the confidence is there, Rob, for dealing with that scattered severe thunderstorm chance from the Arklatex out into West Tennessee.
Yeah, it was interesting. Last week, forecast confidence was high enough so that we got these outlooks as early as Friday.
Yeah.
And they haven't moved a whole lot, so it's been pretty consistent. But weather models now kind of honing in on these areas at least Wednesday evening from Dallas to Memphis, including Little Rock and Shreveport, but then wide risk area on Thursday as well.
So this is interesting because for Thursday, it's going to be the cold front that takes over, and that cold front will be extending from the Great Lakes all the way to the Gulf Coast. So just imagine the cold front coming right through this area and all those severe thunderstorms that we're going to be tracking through Thursday.
Yeah, and some of this could be overnight, late Wednesday into early Thursday. Of course, we still have time to work out those details, which is why we want to get you ahead of this system. And 3 days out, you should be checking that forecast, see what kind of risk you're in each day as those outlooks are issued. And of course, the timing is going to be big here. And that's something we just haven't quite nailed down just yet.
Yeah, and we'll get a better handle on that timing as we get closer to the event. The confidence is there that stuff's going to be happening. And of course, we'll break down that forecast over the next few days as we get updated information. But Rob, on the northern side of it, that upper level low really going to pull in that cold air, mix it in, and create that chance for some times of heavy snow.
Yeah, and we could see some pockets of 6+ inches. We'll probably see some higher totals once our high resolution models start coming in here, but certainly can expect some impacts from the plains into the Midwest and the Great Lakes with the chance for accumulating snow upwards of 3 to 6 inches in some locations.
So we look here at the surface. There's the low. Here's the cold front that's really going to start to build in. I mentioned just how long that cold front is, extending from the eastern Great Lakes all the way down to the Gulf Coast of Texas, and we can just see all the shower and thunderstorm activity that's likely going to build along that frontal boundary.
Yeah, and just as that frontal system continues to work its way east, we're going to see the heavy rain pooling across, especially the southern Appalachians, but into the northeast as well. We'll have some rounds of heavy rain on the way.
Maybe on the backside, that cold air can catch up. Maybe we've seen some of those higher elevations from Pennsylvania down into northern Georgia. We get in on a bit of the wintry weather. Rainfall potential as of right now, Rob. We're highlighting East Tennessee, western North Carolina, maybe the heaviest rain, but widespread, at least over an inch of rain, likely from the Ohio River Valley to the Gulf Coast.